Please introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is TARINI MOHANTY. Sir, I belong to Puri district and I have completed my post-graduation in agricultural biotechnology and my graduation in agriculture.
You have opted sociology and agriculture.
Yes, sir.
Agricultural biotechnology and agriculture.
Sir.
What is the difference?
Sir, agricultural...
This is a special paper, agricultural biotechnology.
Yes, sir. It is a stream of agriculture, sir.
It is 12. What does it emphasize?
Sir, agricultural biotechnology deals with the use of micromolecules and the parts thereof to edit the genes so as to produce products and also desired living organisms that are of great importance to human health. Sir, for example, we have produced golden rice, sir. Golden rice, which is vitamin A enriched, and because of genetic editing, gene editing, it is beta carotene and vitamin A enriched rice, sir. The current basmati rice that also we use for making biryani is also a genetically modified one.
Genetically modified one?
Yes, sir.
Any other product, any other food, yes, or sir, any other fruit?
Yes, sir.
Tell us.
Sir, biotechnology is also used to produce human alpha-lactalbuminogene enriched milk from a cow. Sir, it is a transgenic cow which was named as Roji. We can produce human alpha-lactalbumin gene enriched enriched milk, which we can use when a lactating mother dies. It can be used to groom the child also, sir. Sir, also agricultural biotechnology is used.
This aspect of cow, what you told,
sir.
This cow,
sir,
when there is breeding,
sir,
at that time the gene is changed by giving the injections.
No, sir, it is genetically modified, means that can be inherited in subsequent generations also.
So, you are telling that when a lactating mother, after giving birth to a child,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
dies,
yes, sir,
at that time the type of milk that the child needs, yes, will get from this cow? Yes. You are telling this?
Yes, sir.
But how that cow, inside the cow, yes, what is to be changed?
Sir, it is the genetic makeup of the cow, sir.
How it is done?
Sir, before giving birth to a cow,
when a cow is pregnant,
yes, sir, when a gene of interest is inserted using agricultural microbe tool such as Agrobacterium tumefaciens, so that a gene of interest is incorporated into the genome of that cow. Sir, when a set of chromosome gets transferred into its progeny, it automatically gets incorporated into the cow.
Whether this has been applicable in human case or only it is now included in animals?
In only in case of cow, sir.
In case of cow only?
Yes.
Nowhere it has been applied?
It has been tested to produce human lactalbumin gene enriched milk.
Whether it is being widely accepted, widely used?
Sir, it has not been widely used because of several issues, such as there is an issue of biosafety, there is an issue of bioethics also, that we should yield treat an animal or not. That might have further repercussions. Sir, further investigation is on, sir.
Further investigation is on?
Yes, sir.
Achha. What are the important aspects where agricultural biotechnology is being implemented? In case of, just you told, in case of a cow. And?
Sir, several other products. Sir, it is used in introgression breeding for crop improvement. Sir, now the burden on a piece of land is increasing because human demand for food is increasing. We are talking about food security, but the area under agriculture is declining. So we can how to produce yield. Agricultural biotechnology gives that scope. It is used for introgression breeding. So, for example, Sante F3 is a rice variety which has been widely used in Cambodia. It also can address stress tolerance to the climate change effects. Sir, now we have seen that in Odisha there is a rising case of soil acidity, soil alkalinity and salinity. In order to combat, we can produce drought and drought stress tolerance crops. Sir, for example, Swarna. Swarna is a ruling variety of our state, and a someone gene which has been incorporated into the Swarna variety that is used to make it tolerant to water logging. Suppose there is a erratic rainfall and heavy rainfall, the submergence of rice field means there is a submergence of the rice field, the paddy crop will not decay.
Okay. You have sufficient clarity. You know you on your own subject.
Sir, if I can say something, sir, there is also a use of this agricultural biotechnology in production of BT cotton, sir, which is a resounding success in throughout the country.
Okay.
Coda.
Sir, it is a cotton
Cotton is coda. Pant shirt na कौन?
sir, जो pant shirt जो sir ତିଆରି होची, तार जो cotton टा ତିଆରି होची, cotton ଗଛ ଅଛି, cotton ball ତା देहरे produce होई, cotton ball जो हुए ତା देहरे ଗୋଟେ worm ଲାଗିକି ତାକୁ destroy କରି ଦଉଥିଲା। ଦେଶରେ drastic loss of cotton ଗଛର ମାନେ production loss ହଉଥିଲା। ଆମେ sir bacillus thuringiensis ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ micro ତାକୁ use କରି ତା ଦେହରେ sir ଗୋଟେ gene of interest ଆମର ଅଛି that is called cryogene। cryogene gate ମାନେ ସେଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଯୋଉ worm ଯୋଉଟା ଖାଇ ଯାଉଛି ସେ ball କୁ ତାକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଖାଇବ ତାର ପାଟିର salivary amylase ରେ ସେ cryogene is a tumor inducing gene ସେଟା activate ହେଇଯାଏ ସେଟା କଣ କରେ salivary gland କୁ puncture କରିଦିଏ ତ worm population
Okay. So you have very much confident about your agriculture and forestry, biotechnology also. Okay. There is India needs more biotechnology people for agricultural development, all these things. You can go there and do better because you are a bright student in this subject. Why you are joining civil service then?
Sir, I have actually to quote, I have a good future I see also there if I would pursue a line in going through it as an agricultural scientist. But sir, after my post-graduation, I feel that there should be a job which provides me, which gives me a diversity. Means I can work in different.
Diversity वाला समझी करो। समझ तो जहाँ पता है समझ से गुट्टे वर्ड बोल रहे हैं। जो only there is wide diversity. देखो, तमें भलो पहुँचे रे बाबू, तमार ग्रीड अच्छी सब्जेक्ट उपरे किसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, किंतु से जोड़ा पचार चंदी जे तमें जाने एग्रीकल्चरल बायोटेक्नोलॉजिस्ट हवा परिवर्ते तमें कहीं एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का ऐसा प्रिफर करछो ओ ऐसा नहीं प्रिफर करछो what will be reply you will reply in this way it will be impressive that sir actually I had cherished a strong desire from the very beginning of my career to be an administrative officer however after completing my graduation and post graduation in agricultural biotechnology now I am making a sincere effort to be an administrative officer why OAS officer because I will get an ample opportunity to serve the people through various means. My other colleagues, they are simple graduates, they are simple postgraduates, but I am an added personality. I am an expert in agriculture, I am an expert in biotechnology. So in my blog also, I can implement my knowledge. This way.
In village, you can people will be more benefit.
Okay, so I'll not ask anything related to agriculture and forestry as you have ample knowledge. Okay, just tell me what is one China policy?
Sir, it is a policy devised by the authoritative government of China, the communist government. It has been aiming to expand. It has an expansionist policy. It is trying to expand its outreach beyond its territorial boundary. So, sir, it is trying to connect to the countries like to the parts of the world such as the southern part of Europe.
Are you sure the concept what you were telling one China policy? You are telling something else. I am asking something else. What you are telling that is one belt, one road. I am telling one China policy. And recently, the Speaker of the lower house of the US visited. Pelosi, you might have heard, visited Taiwan. So in that context, one China policy. Just tell me then one China. What is one China policy?
One China policy is that China feels that the separate island country, island territory that is Taiwan, which is an island and is far from the mainland China. China claims that it is its own. So though it is a democratically governed state, whereas the China is having a authoritarian communist government, so it claims it is a part of its integral part of its territory, and if any diplomat of any sovereign nation tries to make a sovereign tie-up with that region without a permission of the mainland China, it feels as a threat, and so
Okay, got it. So what is Agnipath scheme?
Sir, Agnipath scheme has been recently designed by Indian government with a noble objective of reducing the age group of Indian combined Indian armed forces, that includes all Indian Army, Navy, and as well as Air Force, from a average age of 32 at present to 26 within 6 years. So it has tried to incorporate our Indian.
What is the age bracket right now?
Yes, sir. The age bracket for entering into it is 17.5 years to 23 years.
Okay. What is the amount they will get after retiring?
Sir, after retiring, somewhat approximately more than 11 lakhs.
More than 11 lakhs. Okay. So Rajghat, like the Janpath, Raj Janpath is renamed to some other like name. What is that name?
It has been renamed as Kartavya Path, sir.
Okay. So you are belongs to Puri or sorry Nimapada Puri. Why Nimapada famous for?
Sir, as you know, Nimapada is famous for a very typical, unique, sweet dish that is we call as a chenazili.
Chenazli. Did it get GI tag?
No, sir, there has been a discussion on approval of GI tag, but it has not got yet.
Okay. So okay. So when OUT college established?
OUT was established in 1954, but came into existence in 1962.
You got gold medal in painting by Handcraft Development Center.
Yes.
What type of painting you have done?
Sir, I did a painting on. Sir, there was a topic on climate change. So my painting was a conceptual one. I made a burning chulha on over which a dish was kept with burning waters, what we call, and the globe earth was burning in it, and the ice was melting. So it was a picture on climate change. On the one side I was showing the factors causing climate change, and on the other side I was showing how to reduce it, like the measures taken for afforestation and cleaning.
So carbon neutrality India target by which year net carbon neutrality is zero?
Sir, in Glasgow, Scotland, we have claimed to be a carbon neutral country by 2070.
Panchamrit, we are the like India told about Panchamrit, our Prime Minister. What is that Panchamrit?
Sir, in agriculture, in Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana, we are talking about organic farming. We are pressing for using 5 amrits that like Vizamrit and means that is means the organic chemicals made up of cow dung that will use to.
No, I am telling about that Panchamrit in the context of the COP26. Our government of India declared that these are the 5 principles we have to follow or adopt.
I'm not able to recall, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir. Any other
What is
question?
Quad?
Sir, Quad is a multilateral grouping of countries to which have their interest in the Indo-Pacific region for trade and regional security. It includes 4 countries: India, Australia, US, and Japan.
Some people they are not interested or favorable for B2B. What is the future of this genetic engineered crops?
Sir, as I said, Bacillus thuringiensis is the vector that is used to genetically modify this crop. Sir, BT brinjal is highly nutritious, and there is also the major concern is of biosafety and the issue that it has. People think that there might be a issue of allergies among humans because the Bacillus thuringiensis that is used in it introduces a gene of interest that is tumor inducing, that drastically reduces the pest and infestation attack. But there is a fear that as we directly consume it as a food, so it might cause a tumor in human beings, so there is a fear. But sir, actually the cryogene gets activated only in the alkaline medium that is present in the saliva of that specific worm. It is insect specific. Sir, there is a issue of acceptance in our country, sir. But Bangladesh has already had made a MOU with India and has been producing it for 3 years.
Okay, Tarin, I don't find any problem in you. You are very good. Your presentation skill is very nice. You are confident. You are strong in your content. Everything is fine, and I hope you will definitely score very good in it. Okay.
And in Hafida, you mentioned only painting. You have written another 2 things.
Yes.
Okay.
What are they? What you have mentioned? Painting another something you have written.
Gardening, cycling.
So one painting is because you have put that.
Whatever you are writing, supposing you are mentioning that your hobby is painting, and you should have sufficient knowledge.
Some knowledge on painting.
On painting. Who is the best painter in the world? Who is the best painter in India? Is there an award given for painting?
Yes, he has received some awards.
And this question will be put to you. Is there any award in the national level and state level for giving painting?
Yes, in Lalit Kala Academy and Sahitya Academy.
Sahitya Academy.
No, sir, Lalit Kala Academy.
Lalit Kala Academy of Art and Crafts.
In the state.
It is coming under which department?
Sir,
It is government. It belongs to Odisha government. Odisha.
yes.
Then it is coming under which department of government Odisha? Culture department.
Culture and tourism.
Okay.
Tourism and culture. Tourism department is different. Culture department is different.
And you are solving after the completion, you are not joining.
He is recently passed out. Last year, sir. He is. You are confident. You confident.
You definitely get.
Okay.
Paper के पढ़ुता.
Latest development.
तमरा ऑप्शनल ठीक जाइए तो